Hello there, I'm Daniel, the founder of Galactic Games. And today I will show you how to boost your game's FPS in Unreal Engine 5.5 or higher using the feature called Megalights. This only works in Unreal Engine 5.5 or higher. If you are using an older version, it won't work. But if your game has performance problems, it's worth upgrading. What is Megalights? Megalights is a new feature added in Unreal Engine 5.5. It's made for levels with lot of lights, like cities, detailed interiors, or open worlds. Normally, each dynamic light is calculated on its own, which is slow. Megalights groups nearby dynamic lights together and makes them faster to render. This helps the game run smoother and increases FPS with no visible loss in quality. And how to turn it on? In the word outliner, add or select a post-process volume. In the Details panel, find the Megalight section and enable it. Now Unreal Engine will optimize lights inside that volume. And what happens after? Light calculations are grouped together. FPS can improve a lot depending on your scene. Your game looks the same, but runs faster. And that's it. Your game should now run smoother and use less GPU power. Thanks for supporting Galactic Games. Follow us for more Unreal Engine tips.